The Prime Minister of India was in Varanasi today, or should I say the city of Kashi, the Prime Minister's own constituency. The visit was aimed at strengthening India's ties with one of its oldest friends and allies, Japan. The Prime Minister inaugurated a convention centre, a state-of-the-art facility which has been constructed with assistance of Japan. This project is part of the Kyoto-Kashi Pact, a pact that was signed in 2014 by Prime Minister Modi and his then Japanese counterpart Shinzo Abe. 7 years later, and despite a change of guard in Tokyo, the partnership continues. And besides this convention centre, the Prime Minister has also announced projects worth $200 million for the city of Varanasi. Here's a report.
In 2014, the newly elected Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, travelled to Japan. This was among his first foreign visits after assuming office. It marked the beginning of a new chapter in bilateral ties between the two countries.
पूरा विश्व एक बात को मानता है भली भांति और कन्विंस है कि 21वीं सदी एशिया की सदी है और पूरे विश्व में 21वीं सदी एशिया की सदी है, इसमें कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है। लेकिन 21वीं सदी कैसी हो, ये उस बात पर निर्भर करता है कि भारत और जापान मिलकर के किस प्रकार की व्यूहरचना अपनाते हैं, किस रणनीति को लेकर के आगे बढ़ते हैं और कितनी घनिष्ठता के साथ आगे बढ़ते हैं।
The most significant outcome of this visit was the Kyoto-Kashi Pact, a partner city agreement aimed at cultural, developmental and technological exchanges. Between Kyoto, a center of traditional Japanese culture, and Kashi, which is regarded as the spiritual capital of India. 7 years on, the pact has delivered this project. This is the newly built Rudraksh Convention Centre in Varanasi, a state-of-the-art facility which will offer a glimpse into the cultural richness of this ancient city. This centre has been constructed with the assistance of the Japanese International Cooperation Agency, or JICA. Today it was inaugurated by Prime Minister Modi, who said that the project is a symbol of India's friendship with Japan and also depicts the scope for future opportunities.
ये भव्य इमारत काशी की शोभा बढ़ा रही है। इस इमारत में आधुनिकता की चमक भी है और सांस्कृतिक आभा भी है। इसमें भारत जापान रिश्तों का कनेक्ट भी है और भविष्य के लिए अनेकों संभावनाओं का स्कोप भी है कि आज दोनों देशों के प्रयासों से विकास के साथ साथ रिश्तों में मिठास का नया अध्याय लिखा जा रहा है।
Let's tell you a little bit about this centre. It is a two-story structure built on 2.87 hectares of land. It has a seating capacity of 1,200 people and will be used for conferences, exhibitions and concerts. The roof of this facility resembles the Shivling, an abstract representation of the Hindu god Shiva. And as many as 108 Rudraksh beads have been installed inside the centre. The Rudraksh is a seed that is used as a prayer bead in both Hinduism and Buddhism. The objective of this centre is to provide opportunities for social and cultural interactions for pilgrims from around the world. It is being said that the centre will strengthen Kashi's competitiveness by developing its tourism sector. The Rudraksh Convention Centre is just one of the many projects being planned for Varanasi. The Prime Minister has laid the foundation stone of many developmental projects worth an estimated 1,500 crore rupees. After being neglected for decades, the city of Varanasi may finally be getting its due. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.